chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to use coconut oil, coconut milk, chocolate chips, vanilla, baking powder, salt, applesauce, and flour. Put the sugar along with the coconut oil and stir until it's well combined. Pour coconut milk and applesauce. Add vanilla, stir until it's well combined and set it aside. In a bowl, pour baking soda and salt. Pour the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and stir until it's well combined. When it's completely combined, add the chocolate chips. With an ice cream scooper, make cookie balls. Pat down the cookies. Bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.